This is Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com. Let's take a look at a stock here that is down over the last couple of months, and it is TRCC, down about 3% for the day, today being September 26th, 2019. This is the monthly chart, and in the description of this video, I'm gonna link some videos that I recorded when the stock was moving higher here. And essentially I was warning people to be careful. And I'm not saying that I always get it right, but the videos are there. It's a couple of videos. And what I was saying is the stock has a tendency of going higher and collapsing. And because it was on an uptrend, I was trying to remind people that be careful. This thing is moving higher, but it has a history of collapsing. And we can see that after the fact. This is exactly what has happened. And we can see that now off the highs, the stock is down about 90%. So really not the kind of ride you want to be in, but the writing was already there based on past behavior, which is the moral of this video, is be careful when you're considering candidates to buy, because they have a tendency of repeating what they've been doing over an established period of years. Now this is the 3-year monthly chart. This is the view. So take a look. If we take a look, for example, at a 5-year monthly, again, you see the same thing here. A tendency to give back gains. Tendency of giving back gains here was. So this is just something this stock has established. And if we go back even longer, and this is now going back about 13 years or so, again, we can see that the stock has a tendency of going higher, collapsing, going higher, and then collapsing. In other words, it can never hold on to gains, and has not shown that it can hold on to gains over a period of many, many years. So here we are going all the way to show all the data, and you'll notice that there was a period here in the mid 90s where we have what looks like an amazing run here, here, and here. Now stock's been stuck in this range here, so definitely been stuck in this very volatile, pretty much not holding on to gains for the last 20 years or so. But even in this nice run, this period here, if you really look at how the stock was behaving, you'll notice that it wasn't a good run. And let me zoom into that time period. You're going to see that there were periods where we have explosions in price to the upside, but immediately, almost immediately, would give back all the gains. So let me zoom into that time period. And here we have the time period from about 1992 to 98. So this is way back. But you'll notice if you take a look at this period, is even when there was good movement in price action, notice there was always a huge give back. What looks like a good move, huge give back here. Looks like a good move, huge give back. Recovers only to collapse. Tries to move higher, only to collapse. In fact, we can see this recent movement here looks like what happened in 2019. So again, the moral of the story, be careful when you're looking at stocks to consider to own, because they might just go on to repeat past history. Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.